What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger video. Today we are unboxing 3 very unique pieces. As you see in the title, these are accessories. You guys, I got my hands on 3 very different accessories. One is a belt, one is a necklace, and one is a scarf. And I am beyond excited to check these out, guys. I've been searching the internet, honestly browsing almost every single day for unique Tommy Hilfiger pieces to share and to add to my vault and my collection. And it's become quite the obsession, not gonna lie. So one of these was purchased from Poshmark, the other 2 are purchased from eBay. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, like the deeper I search on the internet for Tommy pieces, the more extraordinary pieces I find. It's crazy. It is bad. I need help. I really do. Yeah. So, if you're interested in checking out these Tommy pieces with me, then keep on watching. First things first, if you enjoy Tommy Hilfiger, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. This is your #1 source for all things Tommy Hilfiger related. Enjoy the Tommy fantasy. I go to department stores searching for Tommy pieces, thrift stores, the actual Tommy store, I shop online, you name it. Everything Tommy on this channel, so I love your company. Let's get started. I cannot hold off any longer, you guys. I've honestly been collecting these packages since they arrived, and they all arrived at like different times. So I've been holding off and making this video now for about a week, and it's been painful. So I also did polls on my Instagram page, kind of like asking you guys certain questions about each one of these products, low key. And one of them is a little controversial, considering like what I would like to do with the item. Yeah, we'll talk about that one last. So we're gonna dive into the first piece, which is a belt, like I was saying. And I believe 60% of you voted that you liked it and 40% of you voted that you didn't. No, I'm sorry. The other way around, 60% gave it a thumbs down, 40% was fire. Fire meaning you liked it, of course. I thought this is a cool piece. I mean, given the picture online, it looked pretty sick and unique to me. And I'm all about the accessories, guys. Like, you can wear the most minimal outfit, but as long as like your accessory is, you know, unique and bold and, you know, different and stands out, then it will elevate your outfit, you know, way more than whatever else you're wearing. In my opinion, it's my opinion. So let me open this up. And this is actually purchased from eBay. So I bid for this product, and I don't remember how much I got this for. If I remember, then I will put it right here. But it was pretty cheap. Alrighty. There we go. Alright, now this is definitely a vintage piece. That's what it was listed under as. And this is in quite great condition. Oh wow, as you can see, the hardware is right there, and it's a buckle, and it says Tommy Jeans. And right around here it just says Tommy Hilfiger around the entire rim. Now the great thing is, this is adjustable. So I'm not sure exactly how large this can go up to, but I mean, that could probably fit 2 of me. And I'm not mad at it. So you can adjust it by the clips up here. And I appreciate that the seller actually packaged the hardware because we want to protect that. From what it looks like, this entire piece is in pretty excellent condition. Oh wow, that is pretty sick. Wow, this is, what is this? Like saran wrap or something? All right. Oh my God, love it. That is awesome. So you just take it off this way like a seatbelt. Cool. So it is a little scuffed up. It's definitely patinaed. It's aged, which I'm not mad at. It's kind of like giving proof that it's an antique piece. Antique, but vintage, whatever you want to call it. So it looks like you have to hold the clamps in to unlock it and also to put it back into place. And like you'll hear it buckle. So this is pretty much like a walking seatbelt. I mean, it says TH all around, so I appreciate it. This is cool. Definitely worth the 10 bucks, I believe is what I got this for. And I love it. I'm extremely pumped with this. This is sick. One accessory down. The next one to go is something that I've wanted one of these pieces for a while, guys. I wanted a faux or real pearl necklace. And not that kind, but you know, the pearls. And a lot of them are really in fashion right now. I tried making my own, but like, it just wasn't, you know, I didn't put a lot of work into it, guys. So this one is, this one's actually, I believe, from Poshmark. No, this one's from eBay. And what is in here? Oh, it says thanks. I'm like, what is this redness going on? I hope I didn't get the wrong product because One time I purchased on eBay recently, they sent me the complete wrong item, and it was a little frustrating. So George, thank you. Beth and something. Okay, cool. We love that. Thank you, Beth. Open it up. Oh my god, this is way tinier than I expected. Holy crap, you guys. This is the picture, and we're about to see reality. With the reality of this, she is tiny. This is like for a Barbie. What the heck? So when I was speaking to the seller of this, they said they found this at, not found it, they bought it at an estate sale. Guys, I don't even think this is gonna fit me. Oh no, I was looking forward to this so much. You know what I can do? Thank God I'm creative and I have imagination. There's like links that you could buy at Michael's or like any type of like craft store. So I'm just gonna like buy. Oh, this is definitely a Tommy Hilfiger piece. So you can see the Tommy emblem is right here, and it says Tommy right there, Tommy Hilfiger, and it's really cool. Like this is a white quartz. That's at least what it was classified as within the listing. And I got this for $10. So it's not like, you know, it didn't break the bank or anything like that. And I mean, the pearls are tiny, but to be honest, I kind of like how this looks. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not mad. Cool piece. Definitely really into Tommy like jewelry right now. And Tommy doesn't really offer a lot of jewelry aside from like watches, and every now and then you'll see like a bracelet pop up here and there. But when I seen this and how big pearl necklaces are right now for men, I was like, I need to get that. I'm still a little shook about how small it is, because a picture made these pearls look like maybe like 8 millimeters, like, which is the average size of beads. Absolutely not here, but I'm thankful. I'm not mad. George from the future here. You guys, I solved the solution. I finally can make this necklace fit because I got the right hardware to adjust it and make it bigger. So what I actually did is I went to Michael's and I got these links right here, which is called the split rings. So you just simply like link them together and you can add length to any piece. And that is exactly what I did here. By the way, guys, if you haven't noticed, I got a haircut in the meantime. I needed one. My hair was like insane and I needed to breathe, so got a haircut. Let's give this a shot though, guys, because I'm very excited to wear this piece, and my goal is I wanted it to be the exact same length as my silver necklace, because I pretty much wear this necklace like every day. So that was the goal, and I didn't want it to be like too tight or anything. So hopefully this fits. Is it on? No. Oh my god, can I get this on? There we go. There we go. Alright guys, how does that look? That is nice. That is a look, that is a vibe, and that is exactly what I was going for, guys. Do we love it? I love it. The next piece, guys. Now this is one that I like to have like a Pinterest like mood board of style and stuff that kind of is like inspiring to me, and I seen a picture of this guy that was wearing a headscarf, and I thought it was pretty cool. The print is really neat. It looks like a Versace print, which is totally not like, you know, my vibe, but I appreciate luxury fashion. And I thought it was like a cool look, and he pulled it off. I'm not sure what his culture is or whatnot, but you know, you just got to be careful with stuff like that these days. And I want to make sure that I completely just show nothing but admiration and respect for fashion as a whole, but especially ones that have like culture and you know, faith and whatnot behind it. So that's why I posted this here as a poll on my Instagram page. I said, would I be contributing to culture appropriation if I was to wear a headscarf? 40% said yes, and 60% said no. So regardless, guys, of course, I don't ever want to interfere with somebody's beliefs or culture or anything like that. That is never my goal. I mean, if you're new to my channel, I enjoy fashion. I definitely take a lot of appreciation into the artistry of design and the craftsmanship of fashion, and something like this is just a piece that I thought was cool. So I ordered not just a scarf, but to me it's like a silk scarf, and it could probably be worn as a headscarf. So I don't think I'll be taking that route because, number one, I don't think I could pull off that look, but it's an option. So let's take a look here and see what this looks like. Now, I purchased this from Poshmark, and when I seen the design and the whole like picture, if you want to call it, of the scarf, I was like, this is beautiful. And if I'm gonna wear a headscarf, it's gonna be a Tommy one. And of course, I offered, you know, a little bit of a deal for this, and I got it. So I'm pretty pumped. Let's see what it looks like in person. And I'm not sure if it's like 100% silk or what the fabric is made out of, but from what it looked like, it was. Just gonna pull that out. Oh, that is nice. Oh my gosh. You guys, are you freaking kidding me? That is beautiful. That is so Tommy. This is so Tommy, you guys. I freaking love it. Right in the middle of the crest, it does give the Tommy emblem, which is actually, I believe, the one that's on my hat right now. What is it? I don't know what that is. Looks like Gryffindor a little bit. But hey, you know what? I'm getting the Tommy vibes. It definitely does say, at least in the picture, it said Tommy somewhere. I don't know what this is. All silk, made in Italy. Okay, that's great. Where does it say Tommy Hilfiger? Oh, right here. So it is all silk and made in Italy. This definitely does need a good steaming. It is quite wrinkled, but it feels very soft, and it definitely does feel like a luxury item as well as look like it. So I love the condition that it's in. I'm definitely going to try to create a look featuring this piece. And if all else fails, it's something to add to the collection that stands out. Maybe I can even make it as a piece of like wall art, as a tapestry or whatnot, because it looks royal AF. So I appreciate it, guys. I'm so excited for these Tommy pieces that I now own, and hopefully I'm inspiring you to maybe step outside your comfort zone and go thrift shopping or shop online for vintage pieces, whether it's Tommy or whomever. Sustainability is extremely important, guys, and there's a lot of clothing out there that deserve a second chance, and that's one thing that Tommy Hilfiger is fighting for right now, and I highly appreciate that, because I'm a believer in not only sustainability, but staying green and thinking smart when it comes to fashion and economic situations, and just living a clean life. But again, guys, this is a great example of bringing beauty back into old products, and I'm very excited about that. If you do love Tommy, again, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I have a playlist on this channel of all my Tommy Hilfiger related videos, so if you have some spare time, might as well binge that. All the information is going to be linked in the description down below. My Instagram is right here at @𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗵𝗁 if you want to follow me in there as well. But until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.